3, 2, 1.
If the world were a village of 1,000 people, how many would speak English as their first language? The answer is D, 59. Which scientist proposed the theory of general relativity in 1915? The answer is C, Galileo Galilei. I store information yet I can't think. What am I? The answer is B, computer memory. Which material is attracted to a magnet? The answer is A, iron. The engine of an automobile is part of which type of system? The answer is B, propulsion. What type of seafood is used for the making of the traditional Indonesian dish called pempek? The answer is C, fish. Who lent Kate Middleton the Cartier halo-style tiara for the customary bridal theme of something borrowed? The answer is A, Queen Elizabeth Roman II. What middle school did Cheyenne Kimball attend? The answer is B, Clark Middle School. Which novel is about a man's search for the meaning of life? The answer is C, Siddhartha. Who portrayed Jaime the robot in the comedy TV series Get Smart? The answer is C, Dick Gaudier. Which vegetable is also known as eggplant in English? The answer is D, aubergine. The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. Which ocean holds the highest population of blue whales? The answer is B, Pacific Ocean. I am a base that neutralizes strong acids. What am I? The answer is B, hydroxide. What is the term for interactions between individuals of different species over an extended period of time which impact the abundance and distribution of the associating populations? The answer is A, symbiotic relationships. What city, originally known as the Pile of Bones, is the capital of the Canadian province Saskatchewan? The answer is C, Regina. What kind of bees are most adult bees in a hive? The answer is C, worker bees. Who developed the cognitive behavioral therapy CBT? The answer is A, Albert Ellis. I'm a box with a hinge. What am I? The answer is D, file cabinet. What was the special speaker system used during the 1974 theatrical release of the movie Earthquake? The answer is C, Cinch Around. I'm used to chop, yet I don't eat food. What am I? The answer is A, knife. What is the only landlocked country in South America? The answer is D, Paraguay. In which work does Sherlock Holmes first appear? The answer is B, A Study in Scarlet. In the freshwater flatworms, Protonephridia serve chiefly in what? The answer is C, osmorgulation. In the 1950s, what name was used for the dance that is nowadays referred to as boogie woogie? The answer is D, rock and roll. Which author wrote Pride and Prejudice? The answer is A, Jane Austen. Which plant can photosynthesize underwater? The answer is D, water lily. What's made of many parts, yet when you add one more it can't work? The answer is C, watch. Who is the youngest sibling in the comic strip Foxtrot? The answer is B, Jason. What famous playwright, born in Dublin, stated, "If there is nothing wrong with the world, there wouldn't be anything for us to do"? The answer is D, George Bernard Shaw. What place of historical importance in Constantinople is known nowadays as Sultan Ahmed Square? The answer is D, the Hippodrome. I can jump really high, but can't touch the sky. What am I? The answer is A, Super Mario Bros. What was the name of the spin-off show featuring the winner of Project Runway, Season 1? The answer is B, Project J. What is the volume of a right circular cylinder with radius 2 units and height 5 units? The answer is C, 200 pi cubic units. What is the scientific name for sperm cells? The answer is D, spermatocytes. What tool is primarily used for bending and shaping metal? The answer is B, pliers. Who directed the movie Pulp Fiction in 1994? The answer is A, Quentin Tarantino. I'm often torn apart in the end, and my pages are filled with ink. What am I? The answer is C, novel. A certain snake species in an ecosystem eats small rodents. If a bird species is introduced into the ecosystem that also eats small rodents, which of these will most likely increase? The answer is D, competition. What style of architecture is characterized by wide-open floor plans? The answer is C. Modernism. What does the word coquette mean? The answer is D. A flirtatious girl. What is the correct name of the group who sings the song in the summertime? The answer is D. Mungo Jerry. Can you define the word nimbus? The answer is D. A halo or bright light. Which one of these words means to recover after a sickness? The answer is D. Convalesce. Which condition causes a person to have multiple personalities? The answer is B. Dissociative identity disorder. The nickname Oscar was bestowed on the golden statuette in honor of what person? The answer is A. No one knows for sure. What triggers the fight or flight response? The answer is D. Epinephrine. I have a world within me but cannot be seen. What am I? The answer is C. Book. What does a tuna have that causes it to swim faster than a seahorse? The answer is C. Bigger fins. I can be worth a lot but have no weight. What am I? The answer is A. Stock portfolio. The gravitational force on the surface of the Sun is greater than the gravitational force on Earth's surface. If you weigh 180 pounds or 80 kg on Earth, what would your weight be on